Here we have 30 pictures showing how much has changed in a year due to COVID. This is a quick little reminder how long we've been doing this thing. There's a couple of examples here. You scroll down, you got Santa Monica Pier. You can look at then versus now. Look at these people having a great time. They had no idea what was on the horizon, and then boom, just signs. How many more signs are in our lives?
Great sunset though, for both.
That's all I gotta say. They picked the same time of day for the before and after. That's pretty cool. You're right.
At the very least, the lighting is still
But how
there.
ugly are signs? How ugly are public health signs? It's so many because it's so many instructions.
Yeah.
For the record, I'm not saying that they shouldn't be there. I'm just saying it's just, man, there's nothing elegant about it. Mm-hmm. Here we have the Super Bowl then versus now. So big crowd, fun times, then cardboard cutouts that look like people interspersed with actual people. Oh. We've all seen those. You have the Golden Globes then and now. Big crowd. The new Golden Globes, there's like a few people there. I thought it was completely virtual. There were a few people there. But it was, I think the Golden Globes, I saw some ratings, like way fewer people watched it, obviously. NBA games then and now, and most NBA games are empty, although some cities have opened up very limited audiences. We have movie theaters. That's pretty obvious. There's a movie theater before. Look at the movie theater after. It's just, it looks like a hospital almost going into the theater. Yeah. Restaurants, then you have, what is a typical bustling restaurant versus some bizarre eating
bubble
cube. Bubbles. They are more bubble-ish. Classrooms then and now, man, you've got to think about the kids. Things been going on. It's just normal now for the kids to wearing the masks and separated by tape lines inside the classroom for distance. College is pretty much exclusively on Zoom. You have a Disneyland before and after, more of the same. Signs everywhere. Times Square basically empty. Mall of America is now a vaccination zone. Universal Studios. Anyway, lots of examples. The reason I bring this up is not to make you depressed, Will.
Well, it worked.
What I'm doing this for is actually to tell you that we're on our way back to those before pictures.
Are we?
Yeah, the boom is coming.
Okay.
Oh, everybody's about to get back out there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Will, stop it.
Well, I was telling you about the Roaring 20s.
Yeah, that's right. It's the Roaring 20s.
You were laughing at me for that.
It's the Roaring 2020s.
It's coming back.
It's only a matter of time. I want you to picture it. I want you to picture yourself in a nice restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
At a sporting event.
Sure.
Movie theater. You got to keep that vision alive, Will, because
we need optimism.
There it is. There it is. You hold on to some of it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be tomorrow. That's the thing. You know about delayed gratification.
Yeah.
Precursor to success in life. Mm-hmm. It doesn't have to be tomorrow, Will. The cookie jar, as long as it's there, one day you're going to get that cookie.
Yes.
I'll tell you what, Will.
Yeah. I'm ready for it.
The marshmallow.
The dual marshmallow.
Just skip the marshmallow today. I'll give you 2 tomorrow.
Why are you? You're the marshmallow giver?
I'm the marshmallow man!
Oh, jeez.
And it can't be tomorrow. I mean, you're accumulating 1 marshmallow a day. It has to be in the next hour.
We're all waiting
in the study. It can't. It's like 45 minutes later for the next marshmallow.
Sure.
It can't be the next day.
Well, we're all waiting for it.
I'm just telling you, marshmallows are on the way.
Okay.
I'm not talking about the DJ either.